Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button, especially if you love subscription box unboxings. Guys, we do it all here. We do lifestyle, beauty, pets, home decor, stationery, candles, everything. So like I said, if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, guys, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Also, don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. They will both be linked down below. We have our holiday subscriber appreciation giveaway, and we have our thrift bag holiday giveaway. So definitely check those out and enter if you have not already. Otherwise, we're gonna get to today's video, and that is the December 2019 My Paper Box. I have the Grand and the Mini because they offer 2 different subscriptions. So we're gonna open both and let you see what they both are. Now, the Grand is $28 a month, and this is usually going to have cards, pins. There is always a calendar. We have like when you first sign up, you get a frame, and the calendar every month you can put into that frame, which I think is great. The best part about this subscription, as you can see, it is personalized. So my name is on the items, which I think is fantastic. And then and that's $28 if I did not say. And then their mini subscription is only $10 a month, and it will include 3 different personalized notepads. And the notepads can be just blank notepads, lined or unlined, or they could be notepads that are, you know, shopping lists or things like that. So they mix it up, and I think that that is fantastic. This is actually the first time I'm doing both of them in one video. So let me know if you like this way better or if you like seeing them individually. So we will start with the Grand box. So we're gonna open here and see what we got for December. Everything with this subscription has always just been so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. They always put some kind of sticker or decal or something here. Happy holidays. I mean, there's a smile. Okay, and then we have, oh, this is the sticker. It says Stationery Addict. All right, and we have okay, so this says warm wishes and many things from all of us at My Paper Box. And then it says Merry Clausmas. That is cute. Okay, so tips to make the most of this month. It says, this month brings the joy of the holidays. We designed this month's box around the gift-giving season, although there are some items you can use anytime throughout the year. If you do not celebrate Christmas, I'm sure you have someone in your life who does. Do not forget to download your monthly phone calendar. Thanks for being with us this month. Have a great holiday season. So it says, welcome to December. But then this I really like. And what I like too is all of this information is going to be on our calendar. They literally tell you every day, like, let's see. I'm not sure when I'll post this. I am filming on the 16th. So let's see if there's anything for today. It doesn't appear that there is. But, however, tomorrow, the 17th is, tomorrow is Wright Brothers Day. For the first time, Orville and Wilbur Wright successfully flew their heavier-than-air mechanically powered aircraft in 1903. I actually live in North Carolina, so that is really awesome. But there are different days for everything. I mean, the 20th is Ugly Sweater Day. The 12th is Gingerbread House Day. The 9th was Christmas Card Day. The 20th is also Sangria Day. The 24th is obviously Christmas Eve, but it's also Eggnog Day. And December 27th, No Interruptions Day. That is definitely probably a good day to have, no interruptions. But all of these days will also be listed on our little calendar, which I like. And oh, the back of, you guys, look at this. This is so pretty. Wishing you peace, love, and joy this holiday season and a very happy December. I didn't realize you could hang this up. That is adorable. I love that. Oh, it sounds like a 2-in-1. Or it's actually like a 3-in-1 because it gave us some other information. So let's get to what's in the box. All right, so we have, oh, I actually needed a few more of these. So we have some gift labels right here. One caught my eye. It says unprofessionally wrapped by Nikki. So, I mean, and then there are some like these right here that aren't necessarily Christmas specific, like that could be for a birthday. So you have some sticker little to and from sheets, which I think is great. And then we have our little calendar. So it'll lay everything out, and this was something that'll tell you all those different days. And I just love that. But again, it has my name on it. And we have stuff. That is cute. And again, my name. Things. All right. Then this looks like we have some thank you cards from Nikki. And they do always include envelopes, so I do like that. And then a special card made by Nikki right here. So it looks like we have some cards. Let's take a look. So we have Happy Holidays. May your holiday season be filled with hot cocoa, warm cookies, and laughter. Love, Nikki. So it's literally already signed, you guys. I mean, you would still obviously want to write a little message in there, but this says, best wishes, eat, drink, and be merry. Love, Nikki. So there's 2. It looks like there are 2 more in there as well. So we have 4 holiday cards right there. And let's see. Then we have this right here. And this, people I need to buy gifts for. And so it's just like a little pad. Words on paper, other important lists. So more list, little journal. And so then we have, it looks like the last item is right here. Oh, this is cute. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to go everywhere, but it's little gift tags that you can tie to your gifts. So those are so cute. So those are definitely, you know, a little extra touch. So I like that. So that was the grand box. Again, that is $28. So let's see what we got in our mini. Again, this is the $10 subscription, and this one, again, is going to have 3 different notepads. Oh, this already looks cute. Okay. Let's get her open. So the little card on top, it says, welcome to December. The magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest of gifts are family and friends. Aww. So at the very end of the year, the holiday season is the perfect occasion to make memories with the people you care about the most. Connect with friends, family, and loved ones. As the holiday season is upon you, reflect on the past year and those who are close to you. Happy holidays from your friends at My Paper Box. Oh, that was sweet. All right. So then we have our 3 notepads, and it looks like this month they are just kind of basic notepads, but cute. I mean basic as in they're not like shopping list or things like that. So, but there's this guy right here, which I think is adorable. I love this and my name. Love it. Then we have this one, which has kind of the matching, and then some presents. Love it. It's a little bigger. And then we have the big boy with some, it looks like a little envelope with those same flowers and some little presents flying out. Note from Nikki. So there is there are the 3 different little notepads from the My Paper Box Mini for December 2019. So let me know down below what you guys thought. Do you get either one of these subscriptions? I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up or check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like I said, let me know down below if you like seeing them together like this. Because like I said, it's the first time I've done it this way. I kind of like doing it this way. So you kind of see the notepads, you see the grand. I just think it's fun. So I hope you guys, again, enjoyed the video and have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.